Hello, this is Garth at Event Espresso. Today I want to show you how to set up an event that has graduated and bundle pricing options. Okay, you see on the right hand side here that I've created a single ticket worth $100 and the quantity available to purchase is 10 at a time. Within Event Espresso, you can configure how many tickets somebody can purchase in a single transaction. If you edit your event, there's a configurable option here. It says the maximum number of tickets allowed per order for this event is 10. Okay, so no matter, this can influence the ticket options that you offer or how many tickets people could purchase at a time, but this option is configurable as well. You can allow more than 10. But in this case, we won't need to allow someone to purchase more than 10 tickets. But that is a setting that can impact the ticket options. So here is my single ticket that I've set up before. Again, they can purchase up to 10 tickets. What I want to do is I want to set up a price option that is a bundle and a graduated option. And what I mean by bundle is that you get a bulk of 10 tickets together for a certain price. And then graduated pricing means that if you buy between a certain quantity of, say, 5 to 10 tickets, you get those tickets for a certain price each. Okay, so first I want to do is I want to limit this single ticket to be purchased a quantity of 1 through 4. So what I do is I go into Event Espresso, I click on Edit Ticket, so I can edit my ticket. I can say the maximum quantity I want them to be able to purchase for this ticket is going to be 4. If I set the prices and assign the dates and submit, we'll now go back to the event. We can refresh it, and this now has a limit of 4. You can only purchase 4 of those tickets. What we're going to do now is we're going to add the graduated option. So I'm going to go to the single ticket. I'm going to copy it, rename it graduated ticket. Okay. And I'm going to then edit the ticket. And I'm going to change the minimum quantity and maximum quantity. So in this case, we're going to go 5 through 9. Okay. 5 through 9, they're going to get a special price. So the original price is $100 a ticket. We're going to go $90 a ticket. Okay. Now this is going to be assigned to the same dates. Click Submit. If we go over to the event page and we refresh, we're going to see that now we have a graduated ticket option for if you buy 5, 6, or 7, 8, or 9 tickets, you get them for $90 each. Okay. Now let's go add our bundle price for 10 tickets. I'm going to copy the graduated ticket. I'm going to rename it bundled ticket. I'm going to click on Edit Ticket and edit the quantity. And this time I'm going to make the minimum and maximum quantities to match here to 10, a minimum of 10 and maximum of 10. And we're going to set the price to now $80 a ticket. Okay, now Event Espresso is going to then present this as a bundle. We're going to come over to the event. We're going to refresh the page. And now we have a bundled ticket of $800 a bundle, and it's going to force them to buy 10 tickets. Okay, so these are 3 different ways that you can add promotions to your event, promotional and volume discount prices based upon the number of tickets available, a graduated pricing and bundle pricing, so that you can give people discounts for and incentivize them for buying more tickets. I hope that's helpful. You can learn more and find us at eventespresso.com.